Hi, this is John with WTI, and I take my tablet everywhere. So my tablet is part of my commute work, and I read, watch movies, and I was trying to have a good protection for my tablet since first day, but I was checking that most of the covers that I was using in the past, they were too bulky or they were not elegant at all. So this is the Fintie cover for the Galaxy Tab S4. And something that I love about this cover is how elegant, how slick, and how just practical it is. Because this cover allows me to travel with my S Pen. It's going to be giving me a lot of different angles for me to put the tablet in portrait mode. And it just looks slick. It looks elegant. This all black color is just a great option for me, and it's light. It's not going to be too heavy or too chunky for your tablet. Your tablet is already big, so you don't want something so big that is going to take too much space in your backpack or in different places. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.